Big Bay Mornings, home of the Love Trap. So just a few months ago, Jenna and her boyfriend Eric were talking about getting engaged. But now it sounds like they can barely be on him trying to pick a fight. So what has caused the 180? Well, we're about to find out right now in the Love Trap.
Hello?
Good morning. May I please speak with Eric?
Yeah, this is him.
Hi, Eric. Plant Man, and we are a brand new flower and plant shop in Pleasant Hill. How are
I'm good, but...
Good to hear.
What was the name of that?
Since we just
what was the
opened,
name of that shop?
we're running... I'm sorry?
What was the name of that shop?
A Plant Man? It's a...
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's interesting.
Plant Man. And since we just opened, we're running a special right now. So what we're doing is we're giving away a free bouquet of flowers each day to a local resident. And Eric...
Okay.
Not only free flowers, but also free delivery. So if you say yes to the offer, I'm going to deliver these flowers personally. So you don't have to do a thing.
How'd I get selected?
It's a random computer-generated drawing, and you have to live in Pleasant Hill, which you do. And so, yeah, just your name popped up. All I have here is your name and phone number. If you say yes to me today, the only other piece of information I will need is an address for that. And there is there's one the flowers to you, or I could send them to someone else on your behalf. So if you want to send beautiful flowers as a gift, that's totally
right. I tell you, Chad, I don't really need flowers.
Well, how about we send them to someone else? They are beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, you could say no, but
All
if you do, I'm just going to call the next person, and they're going to take your free flowers.
All right. We can cut to somebody else. That's fine. Yeah.
And what is the name of that person?
April.
Got it. I will attach a card with the flowers so April knows that you are sending them. Did you want to write a message in the card?
Yeah, just write, nice and short. Just write, had so much fun with you, exclamation point.
Hey, Eric. My name is not Chad. My name is Benny. I'm not calling from a flower shop. I'm calling from a radio station. 99.7 now.
What?
You are on the air in what is called the Love Trap. It's where we catch Bay Area cheaters. Jenna is on with us as well. She called us this morning because she thinks you're cheating on her. Jenna, are you there?
It's really interesting. You have so much fun with April, but you've been treating me like the past several months.
What's going on, and why is she on the phone?
Oh my God, what? You fight with me every single day, and now you're sending flowers to a girl named April?
What? I don't get it.
It's pretty simple. She said it. You've been picking fights with your girlfriend. Now you're sending flowers to...
Jenna, why are you doing this so publicly?
Why going on from the beginning? Frankly, I wouldn't have even had to make any of this public if you had just spoken up and been honest and actually spoke to me.
Not even mention that you live with Jenna and you're sending flowers to April. Do you want to explain that?
Flowers to another girl. And we're supposed to be getting engaged. You remember that, right? Like, we had a full conversation.
Okay. I don't know what she wants. She's pressuring me to get engaged, and April was an outlet. All right?
Wait.
Well, it takes two to tango here.
Yeah.
Look, I was going to talk to Jenna about it. I needed some time to think, and honestly, live together, but she just doesn't give me much space, okay?
Did you try communicating those things?
Not.
Or do you just lock yourself in your bedroom?
Right.
No.
I don't know why you're laughing, Eric, because none of this is funny. You can't even communicate with me. I asked you to go to therapy. You need an outlet, and you found April instead of an outlet. How about therapy? How about, finding a solution with your current relationship before looking for another relationship?
Alex.
Just looking for an outlet. I was feeling a lot of pressure. I don't know what more.
You're stepping out on your relationship. Why not just leave then? Move out.
I mean, I've got a place right now, so.
You know what? I'm sorry. what, Eric? Well, you can come by, pack up all of your stuff, and you can leave. Because I have my own job, I make my own money, and I can afford to live in the house all by myself. I don't need you there.
Okay, but I don't have...
What about April? April won't let you move in?
No, we haven't talked about why would I... She doesn't mean anything.
No. You want a space, so find a place, and you can have all the space that you want. I'm not dealing with this anymore. I'm not leaving.
All I am is a man. Want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Have an adventure. Head in the clouds above my gravity centered. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. She knows what I think about. I'm having out. One love, two house. One love, one house. Nothing I wanna tell you about love, 'cause it's true. So let me sometimes the silence guides the mind to move to a place so far away. Can't meet to waste. And then I want my finger on your tongue 'cause you love to taste, yeah. These hearts store, everyone needs to be touched for. It's too cold for you here. So let me put your hands in love. It's too cold for you. Now let me put your hands in
KMVQ FM, KMVQ HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose.
Waking up? You better wake up with Benny,
I will give them a
that ain't gonna last very long. Nikki, and Greg.
I am thrifty!
99.7 Now's Big Bay Mornings.
So, we are getting ready to play in a few minutes, but don't forget, starting Monday, the 8th, we are playing a Big Money Minute with the kids.
Yes! Before you go back to school, we want to hook you up, kids.
So if you are between the ages of 10 and 17, have your parents or an adult sign you up at 997now.com. Then for two straight weeks for playing with the kids, every child that plays automatically gets a Target gift card. But if you win the game, you get a brand new iPad.
Ooh, what a way to go back to school.
Who's writing these questions? I mean, Art can't get the regular questions right. How's he gonna get these other ones?
Well, maybe, yeah, they'll be a little bit simpler for the kids, so maybe it'll be easier for me.
Yeah, we have a team behind the scenes writing the questions, and we will cater the questions to the age of the child. Speaking of back to school, though, what was your favorite part about going back to school?
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It was like, did you not? I laid out all of my clothes for the first week, maybe even for the first 2. Laid out everything because nothing could be repeated.
Yeah, the new shoes, fresh jeans, the shirts, but that was the thing. is I would, well, it started before school. If my dad was the one that would take me shopping. My dad was the fashion guy, right? The rock stars. He would take me shopping, and then I would know, okay, I'm allowed this many jeans, shirts, hoodies, whatever. But if it was like 2 weeks out, I couldn't wait. I had to start rocking them.
Yeah.
So then you would wear them. Kids and shoes, they were destroyed before school even started.
Oh yeah, I would never do that.
Oh,
I
I
saved
did.
all my new clothes. I would not wear them anywhere before school started.
But then you wear them all the first week or two.
Yeah.
And you gotta go back to the old stuff.
You know, I might be by myself on this, and surprisingly, I was extremely organized when I was younger. Not anymore, but I love organizing my notes, all my pens. I had the new little gadgets, my new folders. I loved getting new school supplies.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah.
You know, you get all your
School supplies
pens.
were cooler back then too. I mean, you had like the Trapper Keeper, those cool kinds of things. What they have now, but
Oh, the Lisa Frank?
Yeah, the stickers, and then you got to get all your like body essentials in order. What my smell is gonna be for the year. Get your lotions, your body spray.
she was
high school.
She was the only one trying to catch a man.
First off,
I mean, that's the only reason to do all
I wasn't
that.
trying, baby. I already had one, but you had to smell good.
Well, in high school, it was real nice to see who went through the glow up over the summer. Like, oh my God, look at Ashley.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how.
Ashley smelled good when she walked by.
I'm not sure he's worried about how she smelled.
Oh, I bet he was.
He wasn't worried about how she smelled at all.
I was worried about how I